Tired of subscriptions draining your wallet and want to cut ties with Stan? Follow along as we guide you through canceling your Stan subscription in just a few easy steps. First, open your web browser and head over to the Stan website. Make sure you're logged into the account you wish to cancel. You'll see your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Click on that icon. A drop-down menu will appear from the options listed. Select Manage Account. This will take you to your account settings where you can adjust different aspects of your Stan subscription. On the Manage Account page, look for the subscription section. You might need to scroll down a little to find it. Once you've located the subscription section, click on Manage Subscription. On the subscription management page, you will see a summary of your current plan. Then, look for the Cancel Subscription button. It's usually located at the bottom of the page. Click on the button to proceed with cancellation. Stan will likely ask you to confirm your decision. Read the on-screen instructions carefully and click on the Confirm Cancellation button to finalize the cancellation, and that's it. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your cancellation was successful. You will also receive an email confirming your cancellation. You will no longer be charged for Stan and no longer have access. Congrats on saving money. Be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tutorials.